Namaskara Vikshakare, Pranam Sathiyo, and hello fellow sapiens. You are listening to More Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. I had recently been to Belagavi city of Karnataka, which is a city near the Karnataka and Maharashtra border. While I stayed here for a few days, I had the opportunity to visit a few locations or tourist spots nearby. So, we headed from Belagavi city to Ambewadi Dam, which can be located on the way to Tilari. It seems to be a check dam. A check dam is usually built for irrigation purposes to the surrounding areas and to avoid erosion. Check dams usually are smaller in area and do not have dam gates. Water overflows the designated barrier when it exceeds a certain previously determined level. It is situated near Ambewadi village in Maharashtra, just across the border of Karnataka. I could not find much info to provide on this dam, but it has a beautiful view nevertheless. So I'll let you enjoy the views now. Request to like, share and subscribe to get access to more such content on this channel. Do leave your valuable suggestions and comments. Thanks for watching.